January Ipsy box, and I feel like this month was a really good month. My box did come a little bit banged up, but nothing was broken. So Ipsy is a really great way to grow your makeup collection and just try new products. So I've been using Ipsy for a while now. I was buying my own Ipsy, and then Ipsy and I are an ambassador now, so which is super exciting. There's a link below for you to sign up. And I use it to grow my makeup collection and try new products. I think it's a really, really fun way to affordably collect makeup and grow your collection and try new things. So if you want to join Ipsy, you can click on my link below. This is my box. It came a little beat up, but nothing is broken. So I'm gonna be honest, I've never tried anything by the brand Amika. Oh my gosh, I should probably know how to say this, but I don't. This is the Rising Star Volumizing Finishing Spray. So I've seen this all over the place. I've seen this at Sephora and Ulta. And yeah, I've actually never tried anything by them. And this is a finishing spray, which is perfect because I am not a, it doesn't really smell like anything. I just got my lip gloss all over it. But it's really good for flyaways, for curling your hair and stuff like that. And really the only kind of hairspray I really use is a finishing hairspray. So I'm super excited to try this out. I've heard a lot of great things about this hair brand, and I'm just gonna see if I can get my flyaways to just settle. No, I have a lot of flyaways because I have damage, but this, I'm really excited to try this out. And what I like about Ipsy is that, like, this product, I'm not sure how much this is. I'm guessing it's $20, $30, and the box is $32 a month. So just with this one product, it kind of pays for itself. And yeah, so like you don't need to go buy like random things like hairsprays, moisturizers, eye creams, because you get them all in your box. And it's just a great way to try new products and test things out. So like I said, this is a really great January box. And I'm really excited for this. This is the Glowrecipetul Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. I love Glowrecipetul. My wife definitely loves Glowrecipetul, so she was super excited that I got this. And I haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited. It's the Ceramide Recovery Serum. Gonna see, when do you use this? Like, what's the plan in the skincare routine? Okay, 1 to 2 pumps gently into damp skin, morning, apply daily, AM and PM. So, super excited to try this. It reduces redness, support healthy moisture. It's like a barrier type of skin product, milky formula. Yeah, so Glowrecipetul, again, this product is what, $20, $30, so it definitely pays for itself. You get 2 full-size Sephora products and definitely already paid for itself. So this is another product I'm super excited about because I've always wanted to try the Tula skincare. I see it all over the place and I've never tried any of their products. So this is the Probiotics and Superfoods, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Wash. So again, you're buying products every month like hairspray, face wash, the box literally pays for itself. So now you have a face wash and a hairspray and a serum and you're only spending $32. So it's heavy. It's pretty heavy for a face wash. It says get ready for a good skin day. It's a cult favorite. AM and PM. Yeah, super, super excited to try some Tula skincare. Been dying to try some Tula skincare. And then this is a Chica Beauty, which I have not heard of this brand, Chica Beauty. This is a black eyeliner. Ooh, the packaging is so stinking cute. Look at that. This is the Chica Beauty, and this is in the shade Matte Black. And I'm really not a felt tip eyeliner person, so I'll probably give this to a friend. But let's see how it looks. It's not the most pigmented. It's actually, well, wait. Let me get it going. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be for me. That's not, first off, I don't really wear black eyeliner and don't do the felt tip, but I will definitely find someone to give this to. I've never heard of this brand. But yeah, sometimes in your box you get products like this, but then if you have like friends and family, you can just give it away. But I mean, everybody, they're like felt tip black eyeliners. A lot of people use them. I don't, but I will find someone to give this to. So Wonder Beauty, I have tried some other products before in previous Ipsy boxes. They had a really good eyeshadow palette and I want to say it was like a blush. So this is a On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. So it's like a blush stick by Wonder Beauty. Oh my god, this shade is stunning. Stunning. This is like that sunburnt, glowy, brown red blush shade, and I want to see what's on the bottom. So it's like a duo stick. Ooh, kind of like a Dibs beauty stick. So this is a highlighter. So let's try it out. So this is the nude, wow, I can't talk. Nude Glow highlighter. That is stunning. This actually would be like a really great body highlight, like in the clavicle. I really, really like this. Wow. It's so creamy. Wow. I like that. Okay. And let's try the other side, which is Dusk. So this is that really pretty red blushy shade. Ooh. It's dewy. Oh, that's pretty. Actually, did I just mix a little bit of shimmer in there, or is it shimmery? No, it's definitely dewy, so I'm just gonna try it here. And I'm gonna try a different finger. Oh yeah, no, that's a dewy blush. And honestly, it feels so hydrating and creamy. Pretty, very dewy. I like it. So it looks like on the fingers. And then let's just mix them together. Let's just see what, wow, that formula. Oh my god, mixed together. Pretty. I love my Dibs blush sticks, and these, whoops, wrong side. These actually remind me a little bit of them. I think those shades are so pretty. Love this highlighter. I think this highlighter would be really good to wear, like if you're on vacation, you want to like highlight your décolleté. That would be a really great product for that. So these are the 5 products that I received in my January Ipsy box, which I am super excited about because there's a lot of brands here that I've been dying to try, like the Amika. Oh my gosh, I should probably look up how to say their name. Amika and the Tula skincare. Definitely looking forward to trying those. The Glowrecipe, I love a lot of their products. I've actually never tried this one, so I'm super excited to give this a try. This Wonder Beauty stick, I really like it. I'm gonna like probably put this in a video here soon, maybe do like a little short with this. Yeah, like I really like the formula of these and the way they look and blend. Very surprised. And the Chica Beauty, I will probably give this away to a friend. The felt tip black eyeliners really just like aren't my type of product. Maybe I'll try something with this, but I'd rather give it to someone who's gonna get some use out of it. So that completes my January Ipsy box. I will have the link below for you to sign up if you would like to sign up. These products were sent to me and this was a gift by Ipsy. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.